last person, Aishwarya Kuneru. Please unmute yourself.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm Shiva here, your advanced course student, sir. Last week I have joined.
Yes, Shiva, how are you?
Yeah, good, sir. Thank you. Actually, my question is about when will my change the current job from the current job?
Why, sir, you're not happy with the current job, huh?
Yeah, I was struggling. There are instances where I was about to get the offer letter. So it has happened couple of times. So I was stuck.
So give me a random number, sir. 1 to 249.
241.
Be blessed. Change of job should be seen from the 6th bhava. Starts in Leo at 11:32. Sublord is Mercury in the star of Sun. Sun is in the 3rd bhava, owning the 6th bhava. Sir, within the same office, why don't you look at a slightly different location, sir, instead of changing the job?
Okay. Actually, my office premises has changed recently.
My recommendation is, planets are recommending, not my recommendation. 6th house sublord Mercury in the star of Sun. Sun is deposited in the 3rd house. So it's very natural that you want a change. Anything in the 3rd house will say, I want to change the location. I don't want to be in the same house. But 6th house is also owned by Sun. Leo is owning the 6th bhava. Sun is the owner of that.
Okay.
Perhaps you can look for some placement abroad. If you're interested in going abroad, if you're interested already living abroad, then that's great.
Okay.
Where have they moved your office?
In Bangalore itself, sir. They have shifted to the ITPL office in Bangalore only, Whitefield.
Where were they before?
It's like a 3 to 4 kilometer stretch.
Okay. You want to shift because they have moved, huh?
No, it's not like that, sir. I was trying to change my job for the past, after the joining this job, I was trying to make a change in the job. So growth is not there.
How long have you been in the same job?
From 2015 October onwards, sir, till today.
I understand. All right, if you really want to shift and move away from this, then the ideal time will be seen from the ruling planet. Okay, Moon, Lagna sublord Moon, Lagna star lord Ketu, Lagna sublord, Moon star lord Rahu. There is no fruitful star in Cancer for Ketu or Rahu. So we will take Sun. Sun, Ketu. So there is the 6th house is coming, sir.
Okay.
When Sun moves into sometime after August 15th, you can try for a change of job. It will come through. You can start trying now itself. Because Sun is already in the 3rd house, so it will certainly start, helping you now. But most likely, it will take at least another 2 months.
Okay.
June, July, August. Almost June over. June 15th has come now. So it is July 15th, August 15th. August 15th to August 28th is the most likely time when you will get a job for yourself. Good luck, sir. Be blessed.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All the very best.